No, not really. It's for rupees 1500.
Mrs. Mehra has not come, but she said that she would contribute for this kitty.
That's bad. She had not been attending the party for last 3 times.
Yes, every time she said that she was busy with her kids. What's the matter?
Nothing, Mrs. Mehra is absent.
It's okay. You know, I bought a washing machine and shopkeeper told me that he would be giving me a microwave oven free.
That's great. Let's have some cold drink. My friend got it from USA. She said that it is calorie free.
That's good. I'm putting a lot of fat. My doctor told me not to take too much of calories.
It tastes good too.
Sure. Now let's leave.
Okay, thanks for coming. Bye.
अब हम पहुंच चुके हैं सेट बुक के 7th स्टेप पर। 8वां कदम एक टेक्स्ट की तरह आपके सामने है। अब तक आपने क्या क्या सीखा ये आप जान सकेंगे। तो चलिए तैयारी करते हैं टेस्ट देने की।
स्टेप 8।
आइए अब स्टेप 8 उठाएं और अपना कदम रखें रेलवे स्टेशन के प्लेटफॉर्म पर। फर्ज कीजिए कि आप शौकत हैं और हम मजा लेते हैं एक कन्वर्सेशन का।
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What can I do for you?
When is Dehradun Express arriving?
The fixed time is 4 o'clock.
But it is already 15 minutes past 4. Still the signal isn't down?
I think the train is more than an hour late. We already have announced it.
I have not heard such announcement. I am at the station last 10 minutes.
Perhaps announcement was made before you arrived. Let me see. Yes, at 3:55. Sharp 20 minutes back.
Do you make only verbal announcements?
No, we also write on the notice board. It's right in front of the office.
Don't you think announcements should be made at the shorter intervals?
I can't answer this. If you like, you may ask ASM about it.
Well, when is the train coming now?
The situation says at 10 minutes past 5.
All right, thank you.
कुछ कॉमन सेंटेंसेस हैं जिन्हें हम रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पर अक्सर इस्तेमाल करते हैं। आइए हम इन्हें देखते हैं।
On which platform is the Shatabdi Express? When does Andhra Mail leave? Has Meerut Express left? Has Meerut Express arrived? Will this train stop in Kanpur? Why is this train late? Where is the ticket counter? Where is the reservation counter? Is reservation available in Rajdhani Express on 10th? What is the waiting list number? Can you allot me a window seat? Can I get a return ticket here? Sir, how much I lose if I cancel the ticket?
अब कुछ सफर के दौरान होने वाली गुफ्तगू के चंद जुमलों को भी देख लेते हैं।
It is very cold. Would you mind closing the window? Sir, have we crossed Itasi? Sir, I have to get down at Ratlam. Could you wake me up if you are awake? Sir, it's midnight. Please switch off the light. I feel sleepy.
स्टेप 9।
तसब्बुर कीजिए कि आपको हवाई जहाज से सफर करना है। एयरपोर्ट और हवाई जहाज में अक्सर गुफ्तगू अंग्रेजी में की जाती है। आइए चलें हम सीखते हैं कुछ कन्वर्सेशन एयरपोर्ट और हवाई जहाज में।
When is the next flight to Mumbai? Is there an Air Sahara flight to Delhi now? When does it land at Delhi? When is the Sahara flight from Delhi expected? Sir, I must be in Delhi this evening to attend an important meeting. If I miss it, stand to a great loss. Please help me out, sir. Sir, I have to be in Delhi by this evening before 6:30. I need your help in this regard.
अगर आप बैन उल अक़वामी हवाई सफर कर रहे हैं तो आपकी जरूरत होगी कुछ इस तरह के सवालातों की।
Where is the immigration check counter? May I take the passport, please? How many US dollars, British pounds will I get in exchange? Where do I check in for the Indian Airlines flight to Mumbai? Where do I collect my baggage? Where to ask for prepaid taxi? Can I keep this with me as hand baggage?
स्टेप 10। अभी तक हमने बातचीत की बस स्टैंड पर, रेलवे स्टेशन पर और एयरपोर्ट पर। चलिए अब कुछ बात करते हैं टेलीफोन पर।
Hello, is it 255-7477? Is it Mr. Sharma's office?
Yes.
Can I speak to Mr. Adarsh, please?
अदरवाइज इनमें से किसी एक सेंटेंस का इस्तेमाल करें।
Can I speak to? Could I speak to?
May I know who is speaking?
I am Subhash calling from Jaipur. I am calling from.
Hello, I'm Rekha calling from Airtel office. May I speak to Miss Sudha, please?
अगर इंतजार करने के लिए कहना चाहते हैं तो कुछ ऐसे कहें।
May I know who is speaking? Please be on the line. Just a minute, please. Please hold on. Would you please hold on? Sir, Mr. Subhash is on the line. Sir, he is on the other line. Sir, he is out of town and will be returning next month. Sorry, sir. He is on leave. He has gone out. Shall I ask him to contact you?
Please tell Rajesh that I called. Ask him to tell me as soon as he returns. Please ask him to call at my residence. Ask him to call me. He knows my number.
अगर उनका नंबर जानना जरूरी है तो कुछ यूं पूछिए।
Your number, please. Can I have your number, please?
When will he be back? When is he returning?
Just a minute, please. I'll find out whether he is available.
स्टेप 11।
आजकल ज्यादातर बच्चे इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में तालीम हासिल करते हैं। अगर आप अपने बच्चे को